Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, and I'll walk you through every step from setup to running the server, and even letting others join. Let's get started. First, let's make sure we have the latest version of Java installed. You'll need it to run the server. Head over to java.com and click on the Download Java button. Once downloaded, install it by double-clicking the installer and following the prompts. You can also drag the installer into a new folder to stay organized. Now, let's create a new folder on your desktop. Right-click anywhere, choose New, then click Folder. Name the folder something like My Awesome Server. This is where we'll store everything related to your Minecraft server. Next, download the Minecraft server jar file. Go to minecraft.net/download/server and download the file called minecraft_server.1.21.7.jar. Save it inside your My Awesome Server folder. Once it's downloaded, open that folder and run the jar file by double-clicking it or using a command line. If you're using the command line, run the following: java xmx1024m xms1024m jar minecraft_server.1.21.7.jar. No guiths first time you run it. It will generate some configuration files, but the server will close right after. That's because you need to accept the EULA. Find the file called eula.txt, save and close the file. Now double-click the server.jar file again. This time your server will launch and create additional files. Open Minecraft, click on Multiplayer, and your friends should see your server listed. The server window gives you useful information. It shows how much memory your server is using, who's online, the chat log, and lets you type in commands directly. If your friends are on a different internet connection, you'll need to set up port forwarding. This can be tricky and depends on your router. Find your router's brand and model, then Google something like how to port forward your router model. You'll need to forward port 25565, which is the default port for Minecraft servers. After that, find your public IP address by searching What's My IP on Google. They may need to enter the port at the end like this: 12.3, 4.5, 6.7, 82, 25,565. Now, let's look at the server properties. In your server folder, find the file name server.properties, right-click it, and open it with Notepad. This file lets you change the settings of your server. You can adjust things like difficulty, which controls how hard the game is. Set it to peaceful, easy, normal, or hard. You can turn hardcore mode on or off, which decides what happens when players die. Set a custom seed to generate a specific world. Change the max number of players, enable or disable PvP, and even write a custom message of the day that players see when they log in. Once you've made your changes, save the file, restart your server, and your settings will take effect, and that's it. You now have your very own Minecraft server for version 1.21.7. You can play solo, with friends on the same network, or invite others online. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Minecraft and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your world.